Best LED headlights enhance night visibility, improve road safety, reduce energy consumption, and provide longer-lasting, brighter illumination. My today's video is about top 5 best LED headlights for brighter roads that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fahren 2026 upgraded brightest H13 bulbs. The Fahren 20S Series H13/9008 LED bulbs redefine automotive lighting with precision and power. Boasting up to 90,000 LM output and a crisp 6500 K cool white light, these bulbs are 1200% brighter than standard halogens, delivering unmatched clarity on dark or adverse roads. Each bulb features 24 high-performance chips carefully crafted to ensure a consistent and sharp beam. The perfect beam pattern mimics factory standards with an ultra-thin 0.03-inch profile, allowing focused, wider, and farther-reaching illumination. A sharp cutoff prevents glare, ensuring safety for all road users. Durability is exceptional, with premium aviation aluminum construction, double copper base, heat sink fins, and a 9-blade 18,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, supporting a lifespan over 60,000 hours. Installation is effortless. True 1:1 halogen size with built-in driver technology enables a 3-minute plug-and-play setup, without adapters or bulky bases. With canvas-ready smart IC drivers, the 9008/H13 bulbs fit over 99% of vehicles, offering flicker-free performance. Fahren ensures a safer, brighter, and long-lasting driving experience. Now our second product is Lightning Dark 9005 plus 9006 light bulbs. The Lightning Dark fog bulbs deliver exceptional brightness and clarity, making night driving in foggy conditions much safer. Their super white light and perfect beam pattern provide a stabilized output for continuous illumination, ensuring every corner of the road is clearly visible. Featuring a 360 degrees lamp bead matrix, these bulbs eliminate blind spots, dark areas, and glare, giving a far superior lighting experience compared to standard halogens. The fanless 6063 aviation aluminum heat sink intelligently monitors and dissipates heat, ensuring quiet operation and a remarkable 50,000+ hour lifespan without noise. Installation is straightforward with the plug-and-play design, compatible with original car lights and ATV/UTV power sports lights, taking just 10 minutes, no modifications needed. The F-Series intelligent chip provides advanced decoding, preventing flicker, dashboard errors, and radio interference, supporting over 99% vehicle compatibility. These fog bulbs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Chevrolet Silverado, Tahoe, Yukon, Toyota 4Runner, Camry, RAV4, and more. Lightning Dark bulbs combine reliability, brightness, and convenience for a safer, more confident drive. Our third product is Oxedo 9005 bulbs. The Oxedo 9005 HB3 LED bulbs redefine night driving with incredible brightness and precision. Delivering up to 44,000 lumens, 1000% brighter than standard halogens, these bulbs eliminate dark spots and let you see farther and clearer, dramatically enhancing road safety in low-light conditions. With a dual-panel design and 1mm precision alignment, the Oxedo bulbs replicate OEM halogen beam patterns perfectly, providing even light distribution for maximum coverage without blinding oncoming drivers. Built to last 150 times longer than halogens, they save both time and money with minimal replacements. Installation is effortless. Plug-and-play design fits virtually any vehicle, requiring no tools or wiring modifications. The intelligent IC driver ensures stable, flicker-free operation and EMI resistance for 99% vehicle compatibility. Engineered for all-weather reliability, the IP68 waterproof rating guarantees exceptional performance in rain, fog, snow, and dust. Oxedo 9005 HB3 bulbs combine powerful illumination, durability, and universal fit for a safer, confident driving experience in any condition. Now number 4, Oxedo 9006 LED bulbs. The Oxydo HB4/HB4 9006 LED bulbs take automotive lighting to the next level with unmatched brightness and clarity. Using advanced ZES LED chips, these bulbs produce a staggering 48,000 lumens at a crisp 6,500 K color temperature, offering illumination far superior to traditional halogens for safer night driving in poor weather conditions. Designed for hassle-free installation, the 1:1 halogen replacement allows a quick 10-minute plug-and-play setup, requiring no modifications. The dual-sided panel replicates OEM halogen beam patterns with 0.03-inch precision, delivering a perfectly focused, even light that eliminates dark spots and shadows, extending your visibility farther and wider. Durability is exceptional thanks to a copper tube and aviation-grade aluminum housing for optimal heat dissipation. This advanced cooling system prevents overheating and ensures a lifespan of up to 60,000 hours, offering long-term reliability and cost savings. Equipped with IC anti-electromagnetic technology, the Oxydo 9006 bulbs are compatible with over 99% of vehicles, avoiding flicker, dashboard errors, and interference for a smooth, worry-free driving experience. And our last choice is Torchbeam 9005 LED light bulbs. The Torchbeam 9005 HB3 LED bulbs set a new standard for automotive lighting with unmatched brightness. Delivering 60,000 lumens at 6,500 K cool white, these bulbs dramatically improve nighttime visibility, providing a wider field of view and faster response times for safer driving in all conditions. Durability is exceptional. Built with a double copper tube and all-aluminum shell, these bulbs efficiently dissipate heat, ensuring a lifespan exceeding 60,000 hours, far outlasting traditional halogens. The 360 degrees adjustable ring allows precise beam angle customization without hidden buttons, ensuring optimal light projection and eliminating alignment issues. Installation is effortless with a plug-and-play 1:1 halogen design, taking only 5 minutes with no modifications needed to the housing or enclosure. Designed for broad compatibility, the Torchbeam HB3 LEDs operate on 12 volts, include a decoder, and prevent flicker or radio interference. Proportioned to match factory bulbs, these LEDs provide reliable, long-lasting, and ultra-bright illumination, making them a smart upgrade for safer, clearer nighttime driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.